Monica. Oh my God, it's not easy. Thank you so much, my lovely people. Those who like my dance, we put like, we put love. Thank you so much. I see you, my little prince. I see all my people. Good afternoon, my lovely Monica people. To dance is not easy, on exercise. She make it one tag. Not much time, my people. Small one. That music dedicated to all the Orion bass. All the Orion bass. Especially the original, the real Odogo Akataka ones where they inside, not be the fake one. When they use mad give for social media. Those ones where they really recognize back down. As far as una refuse to do the right thing, both una and who they back una, who they support una, who they tell una say na so. Except say if they are picking do something for us, they correct and with king, they correct and with punishment. Mutene dokian togbowa. Ana mi wo wiwa we mi don vio bogwa wa re o wiwa we mi dan e correct e wo ari wuvu e correct wo ari boy rin e correct o we ga we mi no gbegbe da we una gojo to mute dokian togbo unwi mene money cannot wait be no or togbo e be. So my people, me I just give one out sharp to apropos the evil father. Apropos the evil father, that day, I felt tell you say you they instigate trouble. You see as una nyash don't they open now. Una way they instigate trouble. Una way that they give money to me till they do trouble. Before now they say na Monica that they give money to. It not here bojo. Okbiaga igeleri go made you one kobo. Don't ever give me 1 cent. Say Monica, can't they beat this one? Can't they put life for this one? But can't they do this one? Ina we talk a manwa. Ina woman e sunu de. Iga miye me matanori sojo. Unwo togbuwa. and almost to go self where you were boss says Zagasaka you were be. Okian sia me venu waga one me wa mi go waga yo work out tono salo bwa ya we stocky si wa gba ya yo work kan o gari mu waga de go duku na no sa bwa ji ora son keke waga vo mi an togbu wa okian sia mi amenu wa no we no yegbele o vena gbon ene ni awe a side chick ovigbo a side chick where they Paris, it don't really expose now. Say now she dey into many of all this saga. But now they do like so now no see because not be Monica ne they call for rubbish. Whether na pastor person call for viewers or na native doctor is wrong. Anything we can make you open your mouth, tell somebody say thank you. I don't they get plenty viewer. They don't meaning there was something you first discuss with that thing where you go do Thanksgiving for. But all the same, thank God for me, Monica, it no affect me. So only my concern me. I wait 200 people with me money. Osaba wa we ni me. Osaba pa en ke na me lala wi vie boni. Me ne Monica. Me ma we ama we me atamagbon. Okay. So, my people, apropos evil father, I will tell you that they say, now you they instigate all this trouble. Now you they make them, they build them for a side line. If you see who they do bad, you go they support them. Now you go they put make it they go more, make it continue to they do that bad. But if you see say the truth don't come out, they not go see her for that your war again. If you see say anyone change, you can't lie. You say the person don't go join so and so gang, you don't join so and so group. Meanwhile, this social media, everybody know. Till tomorrow, nobody they accept and saying get WhatsApp group or whatever group. Because maybe, but when they always tell me say I get, but I know say a young era young group, so I don't get group where I get now my lovers group GPC, EIA group in my worldwide, your world know they. Okay, any evil agenda group, I do not have it. Okay, how I tell say apropos, it is proven that you there among those where they do this and go expose all of them one after another. You guys cannot hide it, no matter your smartness, because when God want to do something, your smartness go turn to foolishness. That waiting you said they do when you they go scot-free. If you do at that time, you will not go scot-free. Okay? Since all these days where Enoge saying no they do saga, where they suffer do a video, I never see you cut anyone put for there. You know cut them. The one where you can see say he thought to Mr. Ibizugbe quick. You don't cut them. You don't put them for there. You don't energize them now. You the one where that one go do now. You go cut them. You go do them, but he go fail you because it no go work. Because video where Enoge do is very wrong. It's very wrong. Number one, Enoge for not calling Ibizugbe is very wrong. Even if he say in the record, since when record they don't become prohibited on social media, because on our mama don't they say people who record don't respect them. Who bow your one a sachiki? Who bow your one? Who onu vienne bio? Who onu pa isi evenare? Last year, not be you carry ukugba. Take carry people where record me for his ass. Not talk boa. Not talk bo where. Ik bad when then one yakbon. So because Niger Watch can record you now you can't know say recording is bad, don't it? Not be you give 1 million to best father of all recorder. Father of all recorder. The one where go record the wife, record the father-in-law, record the friend, record the godson. You not give her 1 million. No, you have bet you are the best father no. Who bob you won't be we giving up your aquaphobia. Emian na totaji or patalo logo where. Aquaphobia logo where. Who are you home? Oh my God. I want to totaji or by depression gele a depression run at your aquaphobia. Who totaji or boa give all that? What tell you go here. Who I give all that? You go say go here, go there, come here. Come there, you not gonna know say depression and they worry you so when they sit down for one place, your leg is not gonna let you go do your own thing by yourself. Now sickness. Now aquaphobia they worry you, it not they enter your head. The one wey record me for inside my house, video self. This one not even be recording. Not be say video me when I dey do bad thing. He video me when I carry she and her children enter house when they drive them for the area where they did because of noise and fighting. Where children they do street fighting, they say they need to leave for some time. Look for somewhere go. In your saving moon, in violawa. Ijiana dona do record where they entertain your children. Not be you carrying since last year. You don't drop her. Why you want drop her now? Because they don't record you. I be you don't see something, you don't fear say go they record you, my mimi. Okay, apart from that one again. When your papa overall senior member, overall general of all the Orioba, your papa will teach you walk. Go na gather walk together. Wana make buwa beken wana make buwa ni gmama suwa no nyanya. Nana imi uwa hi undan eke no wariri lania wana hi undan. Ana imi na uwa ma yi webo no wa gbodo doje gbe no wa gbe shoki agboma hi ma wani aves o test social media. No be you give am 1 million that day. Abi you no know say na recorder. Person where they record it. Na he record the video. If you na he got daughter before na record it. Or record the no gi. Ni mame on this recent one. He record the no gi. Now he got son. He record the wife. He wife record that they are recorder. The time where they talk, I do nenemi wife. I can't do tonsi girlfriend. I can't give a boy for his kitchen. You did there. Not be the record the self for that ass. Like the post and comment. The overall chairman, the CEO of all recording association. Abi you know yes, na record Destiny go give Papa Nenemi record Papa Nenemi go give Destiny. You know yeah. Uma wera no na we gbebere 1 million ya din Destiny. 1 million ya total nya. Igo nu ya munyari ya. Igo nu maginya myo power. Don't have no myo power bo test social media na dey mo pa no mason bi ti nu. Mo pa no nia. Wait a minute, because which day for year 3 weeks ago so asire so never so agwama with the social media now you no go get that like me now o gbo only credit on you on me o sani managi me o say a mortgage e ma give me o say 50,000 zuro 50,000 naira decrease. Not to talk or say person when you give am 1 million if your money na really good money. If your money na good money, person when you give am 1 million. Taye Mosa 3 weeks ago 2020 oh wa meje mo Monica. Okay, social media leader. Ite no emegbeya. Okay? Your money wait since before you give her 1 million. No yakbe record there. No yakbe record the su. E record no siare agbono na amiegbe. 7,000. Now they wash on. You nearly die for YouTube. That time you can't see 1.7. Your 3,000 can't go. Now you can't carry 1 million. Una would be ya mwere. Ya renya no ya mwere 23. 52. Amagiye mwere. Oye duwe. Oye zuo. Oze gbe mi no fwa je gbe no wa gbe ya vie viewers. Oma ye gba no wa. Ori akanti ladian. Oma ye gba e. Igo maro amami go ya bo wa yo Abeokuta. Amami go ya bo wa yo Ogun State. Amami ya bo ye webo. Amami ya renew wa. Amami ya change wa. Cause agbe social media mana mama. A boro ne bio. A jukmere ne bio. Ibate na ija no 1961. Aye agba everywhere. I give your call. Cause amami go with social media. Ami ya denegbe. Ama weta afia no. Ama weta we give away. We are we me no ya we give away yen kariala. Yen ri we ya. Oh da for me we se we ba be na. Aya we bega ma ri ba fo. E ma ne bega. Wait so mo na no version all this one. Big boss side chick. Faruku. Ekene problem where you Farouk. Where all your money? You never go face and you never use salt and water bath now. Make you Farouk give you all your thing. No make na go on do why you dey. Uma warning now. You dey condemn recording since when? Where it be say if something no shook you, you know they know say they pain other people. Why are you guys like? Don't you see no miana talk bu why no je very on even social media? On you see no miana talk bu why when you hear don't run you wake baby very on the social media. Hey mana so ya zen why got degbe? Why got doma? Oh my God, you wa no se ni rie la wa nukpo. Ona do video me. Onariye di sadin why him no so no because one home be more give toto. E more give background. Woman knowing where is your hin since is your hin no ya o no po ade. O ma ye juk mo na jane. No po ade o ma no fio boja o we no le ye ko we to azolo o wetin ya shuke o we ya bolo o we ya pole boto. O ye jo mo pon o ye gba me bata. Because u tota nyanya umia enwai uizoia wa agbo mama ya mama no yobo budu social media mame umunya ya gweze iya agwale etu kobori enia no ya rigo ne naija wash na kage din naija wash in everybody naija wash they come naija wash they come enia naija wash here naija wash if you be like carry feel look bebe if you be like carry yeah we normally when analyzing them analyze no po ade o ya mun no ya 600,000 o ya mweria no ria 20,000 na umunya ria gweze no ria 50 euro na umunya ria gweze no pon wela owa ya ndun present akpa no dote wata where wayazwa abuwe doene oso boy be ni go nu be ya doena oso boy be ni go nu be ri na o ya nu ri go na be social media ya na hin ozo garie mano yo omo gbe okopo garie mano omo kege garie ba omo mone ya rie ba omo mone ya na isan imomo gbe. You say, don't respect a recorder. Are you for real? Oh, talk boy. Did you not take a video? A video a best friend, 10 years boyfriend, best friend. Imame mi ni we. Akiyama somana mwemoge. Ona mume. Ona ladi. Ona confirme. When na confirme mo. Ona weri e diyon wange. Eri yo fio boju wa. Hiyame e Parisi. We na confirme na me ke na ya gbe mu o ma mi di o ma mu dia o ma no de no ta na go me no fri o pon ru na no me ne bio de ma ta ota una ladi una confirme nu da okophobia oworo owe no we mu do social media o we ri la ga gbon we ma gi mi agbon de we me be ni ho ya live here we ga ile social media ga gbon ne we wa gbon fo. Okay, you carry on last year. You turn out to your pikin, oh. Don't forget to. You turn out to your pikin. You turn out to your pikin. You not tell and say me no na ku work no dey by go to me and talk buwa. U mata me me no na we te da be we te we bona. If you well wa be ko ku we hian, the government be police who wa be mo fu wa. Ima ono la mo wa. Iye no jeri le oda fun na yin ina woma when ya de orire be ne gbe me give me son na ye we ona record me more than to 2 years ona keep it ona agwale me no me o mami cause iri abok be iri abok ogo me wu hia Apart from where also about a blessing on vient you are who you be quand il m'a concerné mais oui mais quand ça dit agbe bote we boni me win I me wa win. Okay, my people. What do you do? You carry you enter house. Why they speak beneath much for this thing? Because they say na English, Niger watch they shit you. They say na English or ya be won't be. God say inaka body dojo nanya because ya wa maze don't know again. Weme. Because ocrophobia atotaji okpagba na atalemere obungbe. Okay? You carry such person, you present well. You carry and enter house. You not condemn what he do. If not only water and food wey in with the children in for my house for almost 3 weeks. If not only the things where they destroy for my house, I not talk come out one day. If not only money where I go work for cleaning, where I take feed them, I not talk one day. If not only that one, you don't know, say, my God, my spirit go ever hunt her and hunt the people who support that evil. They must test it. Now, social media for talking, as soon as they support that evil that time, betrayal will forever build a portion. People go betray na soto na own children wa nyek baby ya here betray wa because eri na ni no wa uni agbon be yin eyin buya puma o wa o wa ma kon dem wa na we dun da we o wa gwalu dem monica e baba ma kweju wa e va ni baba na ri e dagmun wa ya fefe won na ton e vi o me ni ya ma because e ma me ni wa e when wa ya nwa so ma ro pa ro no wi o han wana mi dan wana support e ima gbo wa mu ima mi opa ni o wa even wa mu nu wa nu wa ya gwan be social media wa ro pa no me tie bo ni ro ma vision ma no me wu ti e mi dan be social media na ero me kwe ma so wa ni bun me ma so wa iwe mi dan I mo gun gba wa I tie I digun no me tie de ah yes ni awu you are crazy you are mad you are gbogbo siga wani tie bo ni mu e bo no kwa Bema wana wo wa koko bemu a so ba makweju wa e o makweju e present apero e set no sa ba gi agbon ni ro gi yan progress so wa o foni condemn we eni dana e ma o se va gwi wa ma no se we wo se zone wa wana wa mo me kia no ro ene kia se zone of seva bi maga drag kia o wa on gi magba we kia pa o wa onge iri ekia o se va gwi wa no wo sie zonu wa na keva la o wa na wa mo ekia no ro we ne side chicken o hin side chicken e bio ne hin ami o ma no mare except u fie gogo except ana mie we be ne di wan fio bojo we ni we na we go free yo everybody here una do ya confirm me no ma mie Ndawe ugwalo modeme bete baba makwejuwe o makwejuwe okay una no condemn una kare kia wede kosu waya ni bon afioko de wa hin wodo wana mu kia no ro wana mu zozo kia wazozero ogwa ojugo ko waya ko salobwa Uwa ga gbe kan gbose ogi me uwa hin adekun gbose ni me ga ni o se no mu oge ba ma uwa gbe kan ai pe mi eri uwa ni bun leje because you weje wa be Niger wash gbagwe now umala you not come and make you come talk wetin happen between you and Niger wash you start to dey lie you not talk the main things okay na so e happen maybe say na we can be the judge you just come man you use tears Una ye tears, una ya wawa zwe ni even no one be measure. Say man going to see my believe you will talk back. Okay, hallelujah. Okay, my people. Today she did video. She said she dey condemn a recorder. Why? Why you dey condemn a recorder? A recorder people know your children. The overall ambassador, general, overseer, CEO, the creator and the founder of Recorder. Is he not your father? Not be your father. The one where go feel record on moment where they cry. The one with that record, I mean, okay. On my way, record there. Oba of Udo, you not record there, Oni of Ife, I mean, okay. Not be your papa. The one where they record, go record palace people come play am for social media. Not be your papa. You don't condemn am one day. You don't condemn am. You don't condemn am. The other one where record the friend for his house. Mame mi okpani we o. Mame mi okpani we o. Agbovo man no. Amaso man no se agbovo no. Or when he de ticket ni ma de o. Ariye Nigeria. Ima veta we there. Or we yen stay yo goma. And the me we sister no wa fiokodi no eke na la ona me connection. Megi o mega I de ticket ni Ariye Nigeria yen magiste yo gwi me. Ye do ya say you ten ye agbele kia wo doni. Waga ibe yon wa we mori e na we e o. Ona mam we gbe mi no. E na ko le fo e na pa. I kere sugu la we ko. O ri mo wu. Omo mo go mo ba ni. Wa na jaije. Won to gbo wa. Because he was zegbo. Mi almost to gbo wa dedegbe ya tebe ni o to gbo wa. O to gbo wa. Mama me ni wa e. Okay, my people. You say record are not good. All these people, are they not recorder? This lady where you call today, is she not a recorder? Hey, is she not a recorder? She's a recorder. Even me, when something happened that time, the first person we I judged to, now that girl, she recorder. Even when I say don't record it, but if you want it, tell me, make I tell you, make you record them. She recorded it. So what are you talking about? Say, don't respect a recorder. So are you going to respect them now? Because the people are recorder. Which other one go talk again? Will not be recorder. They are recorder. Which other one? The one where I recognize say they be presenter now talk. If the rest they. Okay. Una we dey. Mona check all of una we get. We don't collect our money. Agboma wa. Oh mama wa. How can somebody dash you 1 million naira and you can't still the old debt? Umami go ya pay. Only that money just come, you just go. Na. You just come, you just go. And they don't go. It carry all your viewer. It carry go. Because for somebody to really get all the record, the hello, hey, thank you, Baba. All my viewers don't come back to me. All of them don't they fight. They say, oh, no, waiting. If he like na pastor, he call. If he like na prophet, if he like na native doctor, what it means is that there was first issue, problem where he complain to whosoever that person be about the viewers and problem on social media. Now that she's satisfied, her viewers have come back to her. Then she they do thank you. So who wanna zua make her wait up we know we may wait up understand the menu. Okay. After that one, my lovely people, Enogi and Mr. Ibizugbe, our president. Our president, una say he record. Me memi a won pa be social media na ne record. Me memi no gene ido hin ove na. And wa woman no record na ga a Niger Watch. With all due respect to Niger Watch, is Niger Watch not a blogger that blog anything bloggable? The time where they say a Dioma shook hand. Niger Watch, you no blogger. Not true. You ask me? No. The time where they say Enogie, wife go road, Niger Watch, you know blogger. You ask Enogie whether not true. You remove the video because Enogie na your friend. No, you are a blogger. The time where they say which other one again? How many one where I want talk? Niger One, you know the blogger. You the blogger. Okay, if one person now can't lie on Niger Watch, me no ri no give a view way. No one wa mu biani. Ana imi we egbe Niger Watch a recording and stop. No, Niger Watch is my good friend. Omo me mi ropa ye tania. Oma chiti me de. Omo me mi ropa imami e wo doji, ga mi e wo doji tita. But o dena imi o iwo. Ara mo emo ore ba we Niger Watch o blog e o honu a osio e because e blogger no. Da me mi president Ibizugbe. Re mo go mu be Niger Watch. When Niger Watch e blog e Na egwe wo de na kigbe na e ba evie. Oh, oga enwe mata when they get blog on him. Because again, if you get any way, you love your coffee way. YouTube mana mi ekpe. Eneja watch my blog here. E mata noa. Wo be na fun mi. Nu wa do nai. And again, now only what did they call am? President Bizugbe the record. Una president not the record. Social media ma je tu unime ni bun eto fun social media eto ye woko. Na kemi unime no keke the social media. And besides, the one where una say not do well. He don't command that one. Explain himself. And they never ever play any recording where no make no sense. He play recording number one. Make I not forget. He play one recording where the teacher say, Papa Nene, he give Enoge 2 million, make it go give it, Papa. Meanwhile, na lie. The planner. When Enoge talking, all of una be don't believe. When the general overseer of all recorder, when he talking, una be don't believe. Abi? But now this man come out, he can't play the recording. Say, no, nothing like that, oh. Nobody call us, so now we just talk and make we quench this fire. The man played that recording. Was that recording not important? The second one where he also played, when this girl, Kareta, the DJ, musician, and the dancer, the presenter, motivational speaker, dancer, DJ, MC, the dancer. When he come out that day, come play some more audio of it. I get audio when they put me for NNU. No be President Ibizugbe come play all of them. As he say, una do well, thank God, wanna call me put from I don't responsible. He take me bonia. Mr. Ibizugbe do me ya. Demi no wagita we record him, man. O man a favor one mami get record him, ma. Why you no we presenter why recording? Why recording? Why record? But the way to play it, now important. You understand? Enoge, you say you know call Ibizugbe because he the record person. No, it was very wrong of you. You can call him because not be say you want go tell him your life history. Not be say you want go tell him anything. Say the one where you for the fear. If now you they part of those where they call say mwe pisho menjo ne yali wama go on my way. Girl, or not gege si ne yali wo gege yali formation or ge bobizwa wo ye bobizwa or we mwejo ge yali wo wama egboni we amaya tabe ba. Now that one you want go tell president. No, you want tell president. Say, president, why you can't record this man now and you not can play the other part, you can't play the other part. If person can't play your voice recording for that one, you know everybody go praise you. He go praise you. So to say, let me answer, make it no, may no can record me. No, we cannot stop recording, so we should stop. I know they like that thing where I know say we know if we stop with the doing. Why attacking when it's not in our favor? It doesn't matter. If it's something that be going on, you allow it. Not only when it's not in our favor. If you first do, I still tell if you in as much as I don't say make you not defend Niger Watch, but don't say to lie on somebody on recording. I said to lie on somebody on recording is bad. Okay? But to say stop recording is not bad. It's bad. Let people when one record, let them record. It's none of your business. If you know they record anybody, you know me. Hello? Where's ye? You may tell me I'm yawning. You understand me? Really, what the person remind me now? If not be recorded that day, Mama Bib never be turned to a zaga for life. Because akate tiye ne, the person where kukuma go fight for, can also confirm where, Mona not take him. It not fair for me. Oh, that as people just they call us Zaka Zaka. Erio Geleje na so he con is Zaka everywhere one of UK. Ate for ne mete go wane we he tigers that no say. Oh yeah, I pe audio. Shebi comment some of us our heart say this world no be as you see and for us side na so it be. Come and Netherlands number. Come and Netherlands number. What of Shakabondo of Belgium? Belgium uko. Wait 7 way con deliver itself. Oh yeah, ite tameo. O taking our area ite no because one of me I will know who I would be an stress of the nyase mama. Area way ite ya ki yo to ya ge nyo viere. Ogi go do ewe miliki. No be audio recording. No be save this woman. Hello? Hello? Okay. Hey, what did they call her? This lady for Belgium. Not be recording. Not be it save itself. Person be don't come and talk. Say, don't be afraid. It's not by force. I don't do friend with low life, uneducated puppies. Stay clear from me. All you people be never they talk say, stay clear for her. He don't need you. He don't need you. What it about you? Egbema wa where that boy at happy me. Don't go make bewa. Go me mu enrich e kafashan. Uwa miami be social media na iru ware miami. Okay o sawe ni gazo wegi. Keke bi yana ni agwana. E record masunu beba na be mi veterio. E doctor ma record e sawe ni gazo wegi. Ni aga pe hia. Iru waje. Iru waje. Wala wo. No. This is what has been going on. Naija Watch, please blog the part or don't blog it. You know, if it say, he not play the audio way. Many audio where you they blog since my brother. The people where get on, Mama like where Oma wa talk or our blog, our picture where boy. A prove it raw, nothing raw, what judge. So please. Because I believe say now how you still take complaint to Enoge, now make Enoge say why president go do like that. But Enoge you for call president. He go record you, but you not talk bad thing. This social media they don't record me several times. When they play it, everybody, even their own member, they tell them say Monica cannot talk bad thing. You understand? So please. And apropos gossiper, apropos evil father. You never blog Enoge since where suffer they do it on. But now when you talk to somebody, you don't blog them. You want is to get the trouble. The one where that one take talk now, say don't talk to me like that. You go blog them. A blogger and a rotor niawu for Naija Watch. You never go cut Naija Watch video. Where your mama, una mama where they give una money for evil, to they instigate trouble. You not go cut in voice where for the talk say, I don't get my viewers back now. Thank you, Baba. I so much appreciate. I want to thank you. All my viewers don't come back to me. All of them. Only man said we are blog. No work major breaking news. Beneath people on social media. A Bob, a pastor, a prophecy. Arrive ya mi viewers. E telephone a wa be pin. Il la vo dead do bien ge di una we we no jeyan. Arrive we. Ananti o ya arrive ya kan. Il give a solamia. But my viewers. That one aproko, he never did your war. 3 days now they go so na gi ya ho. Uma blog because he joue when why am we want tale why iye ma be gbina. Me here talk buwa. Baba here dig una hidden treasure for me ni yama. Make it be just now say Now me person just talk say, come here Monica voice, thank you sir, oh my life, my social media is going, oh what you so ne we don't one get any what dota we and we got the viewers oh manore Nigeria a viewers me come back to me nyani kegi me wazua wa continue zua kakabo o man consign me. At least why you test where all of you fight me for a year and 6 months. Ordinary on my leg, what after it shake. So now, una don't know. You come for me, oh. You not come for me, oh. He not get nothing where go do me. He go rather the cast some cents put for my pocket. Una know now. Be na bati kai Monica like he go be. Area wa no ni react mo do uni hin the social media. Because I ti read do kuna bati give the social media. Oh. Emi ni redo uwe social media ni ikobo we pin in oro ito e pants in oro e redo vio i man redo gbe e via gada de awa iye motivational speaker no do him motivational ogbeti or motivational iye gada or motivational cultural dance Thank you so much. My lovely people, please, Aproko, stop instigating them for trouble. Let these people mind their business. Since 5 days now, all of them, they create content. It's getting better. Since where this lady, where they Belgium, say me, you not carry a video. Oviere is getting better. Utaya hiole oreku. Iye ito doye oreku the second. Uga wa mo video ni wa comment ba no ke wa mi o ge be ba o wa ro wa tota o wa eriono arere ri emi na me wa gba ya sere re e wiki ke wa gba na me wa gbon ya sere o wa la wo were o wa la o fian we be ke no na ba lo o fian we ke na ma na tie ija no ma tie boy ya ti u kinia you don't do please. Not the blog trouble again. Go see the video where the one where you they support no bear star. What a platform where I now make video okay ya no ya ta where I chook you nido. I chook you. For me, una the kid. All the vital information now. If I want to look for video way for say make ayaki la conquer me. Now to just type and put for Aproko link go give on to me. Help me here. Yeah. Ekeniana where they go motivate. You know go play that one. You know go cut that one. Where they for talk to A, you go cut them. Where they for talk to B, you go. Since where this lady where they Spain. Say they do midnight prayer for Jezebel for social media, make God review her. You know carry out, but the one way you can't talk to side chick, you can't carry on. And that one now, okay, mo we, your way, beno sanera me we osawese. Betinya we with a benu because all saloba wa gelene rungie. Wana gele anerun gyosa loba we ladian within 7 days wa nerun every social media emi kemi no hisie oyi ke said then we aya nerun fo osaloba na review emi na ma emi e wagbon denu ave fear with it atone de no saloba you wa no ga pray jo wa gele dege we emi raw on raw no we but only say una carry I go give to ororo no the faith. No carry I go give to Mommy Monica the Great. Or when you yak me one or more be ye bene Monica free of charge. Only one more corner a Jezebel. Only one more corner one done. One name was Saloba and Sawa. Me may come and dead the way. Please help me pray for my viewer. Me may in never jode. Ma we do here call daddy. Thank you, daddy. Daddy na no be evil be ni ma. No, I beg, Mr. President. No, I beg. You don't do now. Your brother just take on like that, please, sir. I've addressed it. Please, there is no trouble among us. I beg. This social media, more suffer they do one. If trouble they will really make sense. If something they where person really do where they expose, good and fine. Say looking for each other trouble is not going to bring bad luck. I've seen it. It work for people where I not do the anytime gualome. If they bring bad luck, cause I see the game. Iye to gualome, he logo me, men we get see where we make go me ango we. We are no go we. He maybe no give me your na he I get bena. Oma no bonye yo do bonye yo. And the one you know e bonye ko. Mami go. Please, Mr. President, please, it's okay. Nah, be that. It's not Leonardo. Mama Smith is always saying, Aproko Godfather is Leonard. No, it's not Leonard. I know woman, mama. It's not Leonard. You don't know Leonard. I know Leonard. That type, he cannot do it. That type, he cannot do it. But to mumu for Toto, he really mumu for Toto. Where? You understand? But to use him for that evil, no. The one Leonard did was to agree to every stupidity because of Toto. But to say, take this, go and shoot it. Leonard will not do it. Leonard is not that type of person. No. Leonard is not that type of person. Not the year now. You understand? But for Toto, or me was soy, kakabo, la lawyer, or la lawyer. It don't do my one of my lovers say, Mama, la wo my yoni. Okay, thank you so much, my lovely, wonderful people. Sister, where they preach about recording not good. Make sure say you don't fair condemn the first one where people do. If you not condemn that one, you can't they condemn her now. And that day, no, as I talked yesterday, okay, and all the people where they support you too. It didn't have a beneno coco de lewe. A more tired than the only high. So what can be where Monica now you talk and though not be me talk and listen to what Olita talk. My people, if you never buy your ticket, all way lead to London, Manchester, and Birmingham for 24-bit concert. Go and buy your ticket. They say ticket don't finish for online. Call them, they still they say. I just buy my own. Never take just now. Go and buy your own. No. Okay? If you don't get passport, no bother. If a pa the boy fi enter without passport. And when you get no boy enter get me passport. Passport e pana like a UK ima ya fe be die ma wa be die mama need the passport when the 24-bit ya when e pa de gbeji of yan eri o ya when ni ma ne passport ikuni ma mostola e pa ne passport e pa you dey breathe you get passport you can't go there because it's last day when they say you not get passport amani ami ya muwere. Mama give me we yan passport in way. A 24-bit now wa we eri ma ya la me. Obi me no me mama. You know you don't have passport, don't worry. It's all about 24-bit concept. I passport ya la na connection I allow. If you don't get passport, no bother. Okay? Oh yeah. Wanna listen to wetin Olita talk. Hello?
Hello, Mama. Call.
Hello, Jay. You real life, oh?
Mama. Okay, you don't like. Okay. Oh, I mean, only mental your yard.
Okay, go on. Ma go on. Here, go on, winner.
Okay. Only mental you were over joining at Tanawe. I'm supposed to be president in Bodio. I cannot Bodio. Me I met him why you. Again, a CEO of Life. Now, how reggae no key. Where all you however, you only want money. You are not me about married or married Jasaka. Am I talking to someone? Tell all John where to play. Where Tora him you want to our vatine.
Oh, it made me not see the presenters in other than me here favor, man. You understand?
because when you say for me, you know, say me na lele brother, Mr. President, brother Ibizupe, go in matter no ta. And I love people that say the truth. And the same thing, oh, yeah, mommy Monica, because she always say the truth. I confirm me when they would audio never, and you tell them matter no what you were. Oh, la down, no, yeah, address the issue.
Kakabo.
Why you say because Emma, well, they okay, they get audio ne, the Niger wash it up banana. But what tana wa a man you want matano. And when the bomate a man you matania, they go audio no very do ya confirm make the where you won't get for wood. Why you say why you not you unima? None of you want him with manipu but in a dead audio not to me my fan.
Listen, Egene is range. Medali, Egene is range na moge jomu. When you matter mame, when you ata the social media beriana, audio area genetic doctor. Audio area genetic doctor. Regi or you betan. Because who know the audio ya ye gweme. It don't your bojo ikbe ya pokoro is range wa wo re mu ba we no we ti tai o e pecho hiana ya pe because e ki audio me ikbe bi ba be na gogo zuo una ta we oge no emie oboya fefe no sunu iwaye menya atu dege to record person no mean say you record today you will complain tomorrow if it's not needed. I say it's rain, you no talk since you know can't talk say I lie wetin I talk we not really go native doctor. You know, she say I not playing. I wish he lies. Say Monica, okay, no, mama, genetic doctor matter. He don't pay ya because he record there ya. I say he cannot record.
Maybe not telling no ma go where, but okay, maybe any can no ma okay, o ma wala job. Ni no ma no nyere ni matter na Naija was o ma gwa. Wa no ma nya gwa we was no ma win na me. O be evidence okay. Even no ma me o ma ya gbina. Okay, mama, bye-bye.
Wese no na beji manire. E mata no, la wo wala o, wa ge isi ezo. President, please, I beg, on behalf of Ivie and Enoge, na me be Ijowa of Enoge platform, I beg, mega imi we mi lao. You understand? Enoge o mano mudia no mano like no. A Niger wash or like a Maya fefe ma like a Niger wash. A Niger wash is gele waya or ya de be Maya. Agneru na ya bacon. Zana gunu download there. A Niger wash don't know who the mess of the social media now. Imane kopa ni na complain, me kopa no na teme monge dan. Better he go ma download there.
Mama, good evening.
Good evening.
Mama, I bet you fine today. Oh, this your dress.
Long time they go, so I'll first go the one of Birmingham before I'll follow them.
You go, send my own first, I beg. I need down.
I get them all. You know, say I carry things, they go. I get the blue one of what I wear, so.
I will send you my picture. I like them. I use S.
I let so any ya violate, but me or why me will dog no what there. Who the Zuzu? Nobody the Zuzu for this one. Okay, you like this green? Blue still fine. Yeah, what is your blue bunny? What do you like? If I okay.
Mama, may I say you message so that you will reply me? Tell me how I'll take it.
Okay, my lady.
Okay, Mama. Thank you.
Okay. It there for red. It there for brown. It there for blue, and it there for this green. And all of them fine. You understand how many TV with your all new editing? It was audio that that bobo 1, 2, 3, 4. Now, if I did back here like this, I know say they use my UK phone. Please call me with Netherlands phone, except when I did studio. Doma, how can I make sure your name our original Meta Idaboski without doing press up? Not be audio. Doma na mi me fan. Begbe bajela la ne IT fata. IT keke ve wo han ge ni afilo bojo Sabina one Okpo one of Austria. The godmother of another Okpo one of UK. Okpo godmother to Okpo goddaughter. Not be audio Doma te save me. Where all Doma can play the audio, where his wife, I go play the audio again. Why go remember the bed to refresh them now because I have audio here. It was saving ya. Make I come play the 14 almighty audio where for call your husband ayoyowa. Where for talk say make your husband in lock and for outside come the beg come the cry in no green. Where for call him mama say I can't call him mama, I can't call some where I can't say mama na shower, mama na this. Make I can't talk away for the insult mother-in-law. Make I can't talk where if I say all the one rent hotel for me, we go enjoy. The guy saying they come say make I give him money. Now I can't buy him guitar. And you take time. I be me I can't play the audio where does Smith they do married woman. Hey, you know so that not they enter my pay show. Now those one we they enjoy. Oh. People we enter my pay show. Now not yet the audio. Where don't smart for do married woman. When native doctor they ask them, I can't happen this. How does smart they betray roots? Wama hoya, iyeme ya, iwa keeping ya. Don't do now audio. When the time when some people say they want blackmail Olivier, say if you talk again, I'll just bring out your picture of Toto they not get to that they use and do blackmailing. Not be audio do kie me ni muyoto. Audio audio no. Why time no man win with social media may not play audio. That's the way they work for social media, not play audio. I want to work. Wait, be say social media people are full of addicted pathological liars. Some people now oguma gaza lady oguma gulu agulu kuku. If be tell una say you ever sleep back after 15 years, go back to his boyfriend, go to one for years. If not be audio, way sister pressure make record. Ote tamuwa where his boyfriend of Nekpo Maria kon do for yours mas. Okpo tukutuku. Dena mana mi audio. Wa mana jogo stingy. That he record us thing. Etalona ge bungbe. Etalona do bungbe because he man record. He don't do what game no record the record. That he record us Steve again still now there. Ou we motor be ze fi motor be yo bok be ya we pom. He don't yeki motor ya wa ekori. Don't do neighbor. Yeah.
Hi, sorry, do you mind keeping it down a bit?
Yeah, thank you.
Do you realise how loud you are?
Okay. Oh. No be the I wish as I did back of seat. I can't take phone. I won't buy me on. I can't suffer the recording. When anytime we drive, it go reach a red light. It go the red light like they go say pum. Go say you want do pin. Go do pin. And for the record that kind, I say my record. Abiege ne ovie Jamaica na be corridor abwe na be bye ana be gbere so if na that one na suffer still say chicken no say I don't win a jackpot. I bet let people we want record jare let the record. I wish everything where Leonard can write that time. Say, the first time I saw you, you were like a flower from the garden of the Rose of Eden. My mind was telling me, go straight to a deep lip that is big and succulate it. And I look into your eyes in that moment of Italy when you were stepping down and I say, oh, what a two beautiful women. But the moment I stare at you, I said, this is a woman meant to be my life forever. How could I miss this woman? And I walked straight and I wanted to kiss you. And immediately I woke up from my dream. I wish I record those conversations. Et one a ballon. Leona said, Leona, why were you not telling them that, oh, I walk in, I saw it, and I look deep, and I circulate, and I kiss, and I stare, and I saw a flower in the gate. We are able. I saw a garden, it was rose, it was succulent, and I looked to the leaf, and I walked straight down. When I see looking two women coming out from the car, walking to the step, and I looked deep. I said, oh, what a beautiful fine women. But when I looked deep, I saw the leaf. The leaf captivated my mind. My soul jumped out, and I said, this was supposed to be a woman of my life. How could I miss her? I walked straight to give her embrace, but my mind was telling me, give her a deep kiss. And when I get there, I opened my eyes. Oh, behold, it was all dream. When in the email, Betty ma records, Betty record, Ajala, agakin vedenen, Ajala, Jala. I've been a son embrace of. It may go off a quarry. I bet don't do for them. Make I play with that the only same message to the Orion Bass. No go for the SC me. I want to put natural parts. And I wanted to show you guys to put parts on your own by yourself and make it deep as much as you want. Yeah? Okay, let me play this music. Hey, my people. We made me now, we made me. Oh, when I record our record. So, great social media president. All correct. The elected one, Mr. Ibizugbe, correct president. Wait too much. You did do your work. God bless you, sir. No verse. On behalf of my lovely darling emi no we a Niger wash ye or dinya kakabo bed iyana miamia we Niger wash. Enjoy the publicity you have been giving to us. Shebi that's why you dey blog all the old na mobile blog yo. What keke no wa ahin e play bizu bela o Niger wash no ro since yan we nene audio eri osego ruwe e da ope ya o wa so re aila wo baba ma okbiani obe yanima abe primary school drop out ni ruwe oyai don ri agbe kan o si nana do mi zolo lao man work for enogi abeg na me be ijo wa of enogi platform abeg no verse but for aproko godfather evil father shege you no go ever see fight for this social media. You go start to the blog good things when they motivate go blog them. You must stop. Evani ava zenya ni riro tagboni na tinjo ni ya mu wa nria. Gwale keni ana uho e platform we ni ana gwale mu la e video ya ni ga gwalo ni view ni lawyer o e platform we na mi. Oh, I shook you. I need you. I shook you. You shook me. You shook me because you na record that me no sabi record. No me na God obunye. This is message from Baba. Correct Baba we sabi. Baba no zuani no ro. Baba no wani. Baba no ma de yeri wa. Oh. At the cook they work. They go. That is message to the young bass. What did you want DNA? Now your mama go come show her later. Don't worry. Eh? To say I be your meme like your mama. Now you go come show her. Now must. She go tell her second show her to na. Se si an o. Abe me follow her. Wa mi me fan. Eh mi. You ka je. Hello.
Hello, mommy. La mo is speaker.
Okay. Okay, Jay. Okay. Eh? No get that guy. Hello. Hello. Kaje, you don't laugh oh. Okay. Hello. Eh? Okay, Jay, okay. Okay. A music or okay. Okay, Omaje. So, one supporting ya wow they tell bono melia here or do I water wa when again a grandmother of social media again a mama Susie a mama Susie tami ma where aga mwebo gbo or where they so or where gbo mana mu egbe or who we ni no de bae or waka buwe why are o do one because only tawe not about no degwe or we somunya or where they no ya gbokokoko wa no wana de bae o kokoko na kasunu we gbowa e mama Susie woman na tie bona or wo ga me man of joy ke or we boerere gbo wo ka gbele man of joy ke ni because a grandmother got tell me okay, bye my people, love you, bye. So I wanted to show you how to make natural path. You see, I'll still do more you can create road, but it's so beautiful. Yeah, I'll be me I do this one. I'm on a see. You see this one, not really deal, but now I want to create it so that you first of all before you create and make sure say you arrange and say the day equal. Yeah, then you start creating it. You know, say we will be market women, no good more they go place. No, no carry. Hello.
Mommy Monica, I beg, I could like make you send me some this your hair, them even that one where you wear for your hair. If you send me some of this your wig, them would they price them on me for my WhatsApp? Please?
Okay, I will do that now. Okay.
Thank you very much.
Okay, bye.
Bye.
Here you see answer. You be there. Do one. As you dey do am, you dey separate am with tiny one. May I do this one more? Now just see, and so that if you get wig for house and you are between like, oh, you don't know how to do middle part, this is how you do your natural middle part. Now you can't know how you want may long reach or may wide reach. That pin where they comb, then be this one. My own just break yesterday night. So okay. So my neighbor get baby. I know anytime we take the backyard, I must disturb them. Who they write just now say this woman, you supposed to dey New Benin market. Work by when you were not the New Benin market, where they the Europe. They waiting you take better where you they support like people. Zua Mario Mojes ko mama so we no mighty the truth from the lie. Now the market people come they run things. Now if you never know me, you know. Go see the people where you now say go school. Kapwepo amaya e papi ya mi go ya de to amaya pwepwe show me pom. Apart from that one, yeah, €20 work. Don't do a beg. I don't want to talk to anybody. Mona they make me the talk to na useless mama. You understand? Because if I look comments, it's always lovely one with my own people. I'm not gonna talk to na useless mama. But if you can't there here, you can't they talk waiting your mama talk for your head. Now your mama may a book be your own. You understand? Me here go work gun cause me man when you we over. You any no way not be New Benin market woman but a liar. New Benin market woman better pass liar. Liar where they carry juju enter house to your children generation. Eke na really say mwebo baby. Do you think it's nice? But it is if you don't lie for people head finish they'll come go lie down, they sleep, they look you. Liar. Hey, you see, Shebi, you have learned new thing today. Do you see it? You can watch this video from before and after. Jesus. You see, if I still want me see open past this one, you'll still continue. But I think it's okay like this because the person wanted time. You see, okay? So if you buy it natural, it's good. If you not still feel get natural, because sometimes you get the product, but the natural part don't finish. So you can always create your. See this one, my way for yeah. I'll still do. See, and I me fix this week by myself. I me fix and you see, I me cocoa because you see, when picking way sabi walk, you see, if you just pack and go from with your face now, so you go just be on your mose. Good me picking they sabi walk, no be only fioki. Pom. Pom. Beautiful. I've not cut it, but I'm going to cut it now. Don't pass posting time, so it's going to be tomorrow posting. I've been doing a lot since. Okay, my people. I see you guys later, yeah? I'll see you guys later on Instagram, or we'll still do midnight video, maybe. You see, these two coils, they are different. You see? They are different. That's what I'm talking about. And it's the same person that owns the two. Not to say, oh, I first get one deep wave. Now different deep wave that they see. Loose deep wave and tight deep wave. Small deep wave. Very quite deep wave. Loose deep wave. Different one. You see? And the same center part because I mean no what fitting No, see, see, okay, see the two back, see the two back, you see, beautiful, the pencil, the one, see the two fronts. Okay. Please like the video. Please like the video. Thank you so much, Cynthia. Please like the video. Share the video. See you all later. Bye bye.